Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's quick tutorial, I will show you how to check how much Google storage space you have used and how much you have left across Gmail, Google Drive, and Google Photos. This is super helpful if you are running out of space or just want to stay organized and avoid those annoying storage limit messages from Google. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and go to this URL, one.google.com/storage. Once you're on the page and logged into your Google account, you will see a symbol, graphic, usually a circle or a bar that shows your total storage space. Google gives everyone 15 gigabytes for free. This space is shared between three services, Gmail, Google Drive, and Google Photos. Right under the graphic, you will see a breakdown showing how much space each service is using. For example, you might see something like Drive 4.93 gigabytes, Gmail 1.28 gigabytes, Photos 6.75 gigabytes, and in the top of the page, the percentage you have used. If you want more details, you can click on the Clean Up Space button. This will take you to a deeper view of what files and emails are taking up the most space. It even gives you suggestions like deleting large files, also omitting your spam or trash folders in Gmail, and removing all backups or videos from Drive. Now, if you're running out of space and need more, Google offers paid plans under something called Google One. You will see those options right there too, starting from 100 gigabytes per month. But honestly, before upgrading, it's a good idea to clean up your account. You would be surprised how much space you can free up just by deleting all emails with big attachments. Quick tip in Gmail, type HAS:attachment larger:10M in the search bar to find and delete large emails. That can make a big difference. And that's it. Now you know exactly how to check your Google storage and manage it like a pro. If this video helped you out, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more simple tech tips like this one. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.